In the demanding world of zinc mining, where abrasive and corrosive challenges are the norm, a trusted ally stands: zinc. EDDY Pump is vital in zinc mining, allowing for efficient material handling, reduced wear and maintenance costs, and enhanced productivity. The applications of our slurry pumps in zinc mining are as diverse as the industry itself. Zinc ore transportation. Whether it's transporting zinc ore from the mining site to the processing plant, tailings management, or efficiently managing and transporting the tailings after processing. Thickener and clarifier underflow, transferring concentrated zinc slurry from the thickener and clarifier underflow. Froth flotation, or essential froth flotation, separating valuable minerals from ore. Red mud handling. We've got the solution for red mud, a challenging byproduct in some mining operations. Reagent circulation. EDDY Pump also assists in the critical circulation of reagents, ensuring optimal chemical reactions. Acid leaching and extraction. Acid leaching and extraction processes are no problem for our pumps, even with highly acidic slurries. Pipeline transport. And regarding long-distance transport through pipelines. Effluent treatment, or ensuring proper effluent treatment for environmental compliance, EDDY Pump is your partner. Our hydraulic dredging equipment serves crucial applications in zinc mining as well. Zinc ore extraction. Our hydraulic dredgers extract zinc ore efficiently when conventional mining techniques are challenged. Tailings management. They play a significant role in proper tailings management, ensuring responsible disposal. Dewatering underground mine workings. Our hydraulic dredgers control groundwater in underground operations, maintaining dry working conditions. Pond desilting. Ponds collecting sediment and silt over time assist in desilting, promoting efficient water management. Land reclamation. Once mining activities are complete, our hydraulic dredgers aid in land reclamation, restoring the landscape to its natural state. Emergency response. In emergencies, they serve as a rapid response tool, removing spilled materials and mitigating harm. Canal maintenance and desilting. Hydraulic dredges assist in canal maintenance to smooth water flow and prevent clogging. Brine pond management. In creating and maintaining brine ponds, they ensure efficient storage and handling. Underwater survey and exploration. Our hydraulic dredging equipment aids in underwater survey and investigation, assessing potential zinc deposits. When the challenges of zinc mining arise, remember that EDDY Pump stands with you, your partner in optimizing operations, enhancing efficiency, and adhering to responsible environmental practices. EDDY Pump, your trusted partner in zinc mining. Contact us today to optimize your zinc mining operations. We pump solids, not water.